Alright, welcome to part 3 of our Generation Selects. It's like a Seacon review. And yeah, next up we have Kraken slash Seawing. So yes, in Japan he's Kraken, and he's a mindless drone and the endless legion that can be sent out by Turtler. And in the West, he's Seawing. And he has a personality. He's essentially he likes to be like a sea phantom and like sneak up from the under the water, and like he blends in perfectly underwater. And he also, it's like, aspires to rise through the ranks of the Decepticons. So yeah, here he has his gun, his interesting curved axe, as well as his hand. Now he also comes with 2 weapons under these wings. Now the wings, he's basically a manta ray with legs. The wings do not go up, they only go down. And he was packaged with his legs, it's like backwards, so you could like flip it over and straight out, but then you have like this tail here, so you have options with that. But yeah, he's essentially a retool of Cutthroat, who's a retool of Swoop, so they share a lot of the parts slash design. Yeah. So yeah, under the wings here, he's got like these extra guns, and yeah, you can like do what you will with them. Yeah, but overall, very interesting design. Like I said, the legs were somewhat backwards, but like this is how he essentially came in the box, like so, with the tail, and then it's like you could like, I guess it's like you had to move the legs like so, which still works, I guess, for his flat mode. But again, options on how you want to present them. Anyway, let's get him into the robot mode. Essentially the Cutthroat. So yeah, these legs always get a little weird. There we go. Now you just rotate that around, and that forms essentially his legs. Yeah, now his hands here, it's like they peg into the top to help form the head. So you gotta essentially, yeah, you have to unpeg them sideways. Then you move this down. Actually, yeah, basically you'll untap that, move that back up. And then you put that down and close these up, and that like forms a chest. So he has like a very Power of the Primes chest going on. And you come here, you get the hands out, which can be a little tricky. But yeah, you fold these down and you reorient them, and that's how you have the hands. And there you go. There you have Seawing. Like I said, you cannot fold the wings out, but you can fold them in, I guess, for transformation purposes. Or like you can combine them. Yeah, but you can also flare them out if you wish. So, if you want them going a little higher. So, you have that option if you want. Then you have his weapons here. So, you have the giant hand foot gun, and then you have this gun similar to a Lob Claw slash Nautilator, which was this one's painted, however, so that's nice. Yeah, and then you have this awesome like sword axe melee weapon thing. Yeah, that looks like really neat. And then if you want, you can just take the hand foot gun and peg it under the wing or something. Yeah. Peg it on the wing. Or just leave it on the side. Yeah, but yeah, a lot of the ports and pegs on this thing are really tight, so I haven't gotten around to, because I've only transformed it a few times. It's essentially still new. Essentially. But yeah. So yeah, that's Seawing for it. It's like slash Kraken. And yeah, like lots of darker colors on him, and as you can see, like lots of blacks, blues, and yellows, and how that breaks apart. Nice looking head sculpt too there. And yeah, he's definitely one of the more interesting ones. It's like, especially like with the color layouts. Like some of the others have a more uniform color scheme going, but I guess the main color on all of them is like usually a type of blue, and the pinks in most of them. Yeah, except Nautilator / Lockball doesn't have pink, and neither does this guy. So take with that what you will. In any case, yeah, so that was Seawing Kraken, and stay tuned for the other Seacons. Alright, next, later.